everyone, it's Shantae. It's been over a year since my last video, and I have a lot of things that have happened since then. I've burned down my social media agency and rebuilt it from the ground up. Today I want to take you behind the scenes of the rebrand for the new agency, the new services that we've launched, and how I completely restructured my agency. As you can expect when you tear something down that you've built up for the last 5 years, there were some tears, there were breakdowns, there were times when I wanted to quit, but there were also a lot of breakthroughs. By the end of this video, you'll know how I've turned one of the hardest decisions that I have ever made into one of the best things that I could have done for my clients and for myself. And if you want even more behind the scenes of how all of this came together, check out the full blog post I've linked in the description. It's packed with insights and case studies that I think you'll love. In June 2024, I reached a breaking point. My agency, Sugar Punch Marketing, was growing, but something just didn't feel right. We promised our clients simplicity, but our systems were just demanding too much for them. We were needing them to batch content and film prompts and memorize scripts and lip sync to audios. Essentially, they were having to become content creators themselves just to market their businesses. That's kind of the name of the game when it comes to platforms. We used to be able to just throw an Instagram post up and call it a day, but now we need reels, we need edits, we need all of these things in order to perform well on social media, which meant that our old systems needed an evolution because instead of giving our clients freedom, we were giving them more stress. It didn't feel great. I felt guilty. I was frustrated in just our client experience. It wasn't up to par the way that I wanted it. And my clients were overwhelmed with how much content that we required from them. So I knew we had to change. If you want the full story of what led to this moment and why I made the decision, I break it all down in the blog post. Check it out after watching this video. Letting go of everything, clients, team members, workflows, was one of the hardest decisions I've ever made. But I knew we couldn't move forward without starting fresh. Reinventing the business was chaotic. I restructured the team, and they helped me build new workflows while I crafted services from scratch. It took twice as long as I had originally planned, and it tested a lot of patience. On a more serious note, letting go of long-term clients and team members was heartbreaking. These were people that I cared deeply about, and even though it was necessary, it was incredibly emotional. There were moments where I thought, what if this doesn't work? But with the support of my team, and especially Frances, my CFO, I stayed focused. She handled the financial side and made sure I just didn't completely fall apart. She was the one saying, we're okay, we're doing fine, keep going. But this rebrand wasn't just about me. It was a collaboration of some incredible people. Diana from Deeply Rooted Studio helped us define our brand identity and even planned the photo shoot outfits and props. Gabby of The Blissful Step restructured our team and workflows. Sarah Bowdler Photography captured the vision in our brand shoot. And my sister Shannon nailed the makeup and hair. And then there was you, my community. When I shared my struggles on Instagram, my self-doubts, my what have I done, have I made a huge mistake, you showed up. Your support, transparency, and ideas like looking at boutique hotels for inspiration really helped this rebrand come to life. There's really something to be said about online communities and the support that we give each other. Our new branding is bold yet playful, sophisticated yet approachable. We've introduced deep crimson red and emerald green, balanced by fun pink accents. I'm always going to be a pink girl. The fonts and imagery reflect our all-inclusive concierge level services. But this rebrand is about more than visuals. It's about how we serve our clients. Our new services are truly all-inclusive. No batching, no filming prompts, no scripts to memorize, and no micromanaging. We handle everything so our clients can focus on what they do best. Our client Lauren went from 0 leads to booking clients by turning Instagram into a lead generating tool infused with her unique personality. And Diana saw a 69% increase in website traffic, giving her the visibility she needed to grow her business. If you want the full details of their transformations, I like to call it the Sugar Punch effect, check out their client spotlights linked in the description. So if you're considering a rebrand and potentially burning your business down, I have a few lessons I learned that I'd like to share with you. Listen to your audience. Don't be afraid to push past your comfort zone. Invest in the right collaborators. and build two-way relationships with your community. Again, there's so much more actionable advice and strategy and tidbits behind all of these decisions and all the things that we built in the blog post. If you have any questions about the rebrand or rebuilding the agency or the new workflows, more of that is coming soon, but you can also ask in the comments section. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you want to learn more about our new services, check out the links in the description. And if you're a social media manager, we have tools and masterclasses just for you. Thanks for being here, supporting me, and believing in this vision. Until next time.